Hi everyone, Lori with craftdreamtime.com. I'm here to show you how to put the Santa's beard together. So it's a very simple project. I adhered it to just plain old glitter cardstock because I'm going to hang this on my refrigerator and then put magnets on the little pom-poms so that it will fill up Santa's beard that way. So all I did was I used regular vinyl and I placed it on here. I did these by hand. I used a transfer sheet, which you'll see in the instructions, for the numbers, and then a transfer sheet for the lettering on the side. Just a real simple project. You can also put this on heat transfer vinyl onto a felt and then use pom-poms on the felt, or you could put the vinyl on a card or a metal pizza pan or something metal that the pom-poms will then stick to with magnets on it. Very simple, very easy project, and really fun for the kids. So I hope you enjoy it. I enjoyed making it, and stay tuned. I'm going to be making a 3D snowman for you to also cut out. So happy holidays.